Recently, we've seen politicians hosting what looks like entertainment-style talk concerts. Do you think this is a healthy form of communication with citizens?
It's interesting. On one hand, it feels refreshing compared to stiff press conferences. But on the other hand, politics isn't show business, right?
Exactly. When a professor or intellectual does it, it feels natural. They're used to speaking in front of audiences. But when a politician suddenly sings, jokes, and talks, it can seem staged.
And citizens can feel that. If the performance overshadows the actual message, people might question whether leaders are truly listening or just trying to gain popularity.
True. Popularity isn't the same as trust. A leader needs depth, not applause. If the stage becomes the goal, then politics turns into entertainment.
But I get why they try. The gap between citizens and politicians has grown. People feel unheard, and a concert looks like an attempt to close that distance.
That's the dilemma. The format might attract attention, but without real dialogue, it becomes shallow. Citizens will eventually see through the performance.
Right? And history shows this. Some leaders tried conversations with the people, but only those who truly listened gained respect. Others just burned out.
It's like trying to build trust with karaoke. It might warm the room, but it doesn't solve problems.
Ha! Exactly. A citizen doesn't want a politician's playlist. They want clear policies that ease their struggles.
Then maybe the lesson is this. Concerts are fine for professors, comedians, or artists. Politicians should watch, learn what concerns people, and bring that back to policy.
Yes. Instead of chasing applause, they should translate those concerns into real solutions. That's what earns long-term credibility.
So, the question for listeners, do you think these political concerts are a step forward in communication or just another performance in disguise?
And more importantly, would you rather see your leaders on stage or at work solving problems?
Maybe both, but with the balance tipped toward real governance.
Exactly. Because in the end, politics isn't a concert. It's responsibility.
Well said. And with that, let's leave our audience to reflect. Are we watching leaders or performers?
A good question to keep in mind next election season.